Hello and welcome to Fortnite 101. My name is DiegoContra. I am a partnered Twitch streamer and I will be taking you through this one-stop shop for everything you need to know about Fortnite. I've been playing Fortnite since the original release of the Save the World Early Access Beta. Once Battle Royale came out, I hopped right on and have been playing it ever since. I'm ranked well in the top 1% of players in both overall kills, with as high as 20 kills in a single game, as well as wins with several hundred victories under my belt. You can find me streaming at Twitch at twitch.tv/DiegoContra, Twitter and Instagram at TheDiegoContra, and soon I will be uploading to YouTube as well at DiegoContra. In this course, you will learn in a logical progression from the basics of what Fortnite is, how to optimize settings, the intricate properties of items, weapons, and materials, to advanced building and editing, overall game strategies, map rotations, and specific tactics to transform you from a free kill to a competitive contender so you can start raking in those sweet victory royales. Just follow the instructions and activities detailed in this course and you'll be contending against top Fortnite players in no time.